Sweet potato sesame cake is a traditional Chinese sesame cake mainly made of sweet potato and sesame seeds. In Chinese medicine, food has medicinal properties with certain conditioning effect on the human body. Sweet potato is sweet and warm in nature, and it goes to the spleen and stomach meridian. It has the functions of nourishing the spleen and stomach, nourishing qi and blood, nourishing in and moistening dryness, detoxifying and reducing swelling. Consumption of sweet potato is helpful to improve digestion, promote blood circulation, and enhance immunity. Sesame is sweet in nature and flat in flavor, and goes to the liver and kidney meridian. It has the effect of nourishing blood and promoting body fluid, moistening dryness and laxative, benefiting energy, nourishing kidney and solidifying essence, and calming the nerves. Sesame is helpful in improving liver and kidney functions, relieving constipation, beautifying the skin, and anti-aging. Therefore, sweet potato sesame cake has various benefits in traditional Chinese medicine. However, different individuals have different physical constitution and needs, and you should choose an appropriate amount according to your own situation when eating. To make the sweet potato sesame cake, wash, clean, and peel the sweet potato. Chop into pieces and steam until soft. You can also bake the sweet potato and peel it after cooked. Smash the sweet potato and gradually add the glutinous rice flour while blending them together. Add and blend in enough amount of glutinous rice flour, about half of the amount of the sweet potato, until it becomes like a dough. You may add some sugar into the dough if you like sweet. Divide the dough into small portions and knead it into a round shape and flatten it. Put sesame seed on both sides and press it to keep sesame stuck to the cake. Add a little oil to the pan. Fry slowly on low heat. Turn over once every 1 or 2 minutes until it is a little puffy and soft when pressed. Sweet potato sesame cake is a sweet